Hey, this is Eric D. This is the video of my hike down to Cullasaja Falls to a close-up view with my son Ian. Cullasaja Falls is located in Highlands, North Carolina. There is no official trail. There's a roadside access, only 3 cars at a time. It is very steep. And just a warning that if you are not an experienced hiker, please don't attempt to do so.
You following me? Just make sure you have a stopper. There you go. Okay? You see what I'm doing, Ian? You see what I'm doing? It's better to go this way.
Someone actually tied a piece of rope between trees here that will help you navigate on some sketchy areas and a trail. But it's a very short one.
Watch on the rope. See that one? Use the log. You got it? Hold on to the rope. Double. We're almost at the almost there. We're going there. Okay? Where? There. Ian?